Welcome student. This is TTV tutorials. On this video, we are simply going to learn about non-terminating decimals. How we can change non-terminating decimals to fraction. Okay. What is a non-terminating decimal? A non-terminating decimal or non-terminating decimals are decimal numbers that has no end or they are infinite. Okay, they cannot end, they can never end. Okay, non-terminating decimal, they cannot end. So now let us see how we can calculate this non-terminating decimal to fraction. So now here, consider any non-terminating decimal number d, non-terminating decimal number d. Okay, suppose d has p. So if, for example, now we have this to be our so now this is our non-terminating decimal. Okay, so the whole of this one is d, which is d. Okay, then now 6, this 6 here will be the terminating decimal because it is not repeated. Okay, it is not repeated. Okay, it is not repeated. This 6, it is not repeated. Okay, but now this 7, it will be non-terminating. It will be non-terminating, which will be represented by letter P. This, the number that is repeated many times, it will be represented by letter P because it is what we call non-terminating digit. Okay. Then this 6, it will be represented by K, which is the terminating digit, the digit that has N. Okay. So now this is the formula that we are going to use. This is the formula. So D represents the whole of this number. Then also the same. Then now K will represent 1. If it is one number like this, then repeated, you write 1. Okay. Then how many numbers also repeated? It is 1, which is 7. So here. So you just need to fill these spaces. Okay. So this is the formula that you are going to use to get any of the non-terminating decimals to fraction. Okay. So now let us see how we can convert a given example. Okay. Let us see how we can convert. So now they're saying convert the following non-terminating, also terminating decimal also, they are referred to as recurring decimal, or they are also referred to as repeating decimal. Okay, repeating decimals. So now let us see how we can convert this. Now here it is 0.3333 recurring. Okay, recurring. Okay, we can write recurring like this, or even we can write like this. Okay, it means the same. Okay, when it is like this, it means the same like this. It means that 3 is repeated. So now let us see how we can solve this. Okay, so from the formula, it is D, which is representing the terminating decimal number. Okay, time is, here we have 10 K plus P minus 10K. Okay, out of 10K plus P. Okay, minus 10K. Okay, after you expressing this formula like this, now you need to insert this number 0.3333 recurring. Okay, equals to 0.3333 recurring times. Okay, time is, then now here we have 10. How many numbers are repeated? Okay, now here we have, so now here for us we said this K represent terminating decimal, terminating number. So here we don't have terminating number, but we have non-terminating digit. Okay, so now meaning this one will be 0 plus, here we have 1, it is terminating. Okay, minus 10 raised power 0, out of, it is the same, plus 1 minus 10 0. Okay, So now for you to get 0.3333 recurring equals to 0.3333 recurring times here it is 0 plus this we are getting it is 10 power 1 minus here we are getting 1 and the number raised power 0 is 1, so we having 10 power 1 out of 1. Okay, so now it will be 0.3333 recurring equals to 0.3333 recurring. Okay, time is, so here we have 10 minus 1, the same also 10 minus 1. Okay, so now you multiply this with this, also this one with this. So now here we will be 0.3333 recurring equals to multiply this with this. So multiply this with this will be 3.3333 recurring. Okay, minus this time this will be the same. Out of this one, this minus this we are getting 9. Okay, 9. So now you subtract this and then divide with this. So now will be now 0.3333 recurring equals to, when you subtract this you are getting 3 out of 9. Okay, 3 out of 9. Okay, 3 out of 9. So now 3 out of 9, you first divide 3 out of 9, you will get 3 divided by 9. So when you divide 3 divided by 9, it will give you this same answer. So meaning our answer 0.3333 recurring is equals to 3 out of 9 in fraction. So this number, it is in decimal. So it is equivalent to this one in fraction. So this is the answer we are looking for. So this is B part, as you have seen from A part. So now let us see in B part here. So in B part we are going to use the same formula. Solution. So it will be decimal number equals to decimal number. Then you insert the formula K plus P minus 10K out of 10K plus P minus 10K. So now here, the whole of this one, it is the decimal number that we are working out. So it will be 0. The repeating digits, it is 1 and 8. Okay, equals to then times 10. Then on the repeating digits, it is still 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So K is not there. So we only have non-terminating digits, which is P. So K, because it is not there, it is 0. So 0 plus 2 minus 10 power 0 out of 10 power 0 plus 2, then out of minus 10 power 0. So now here you are going to, let us now get this. It is 18 times, since it is this one, we are going to get 10 power 2 because 0 plus this minus n number raised power 0 is 1. Okay, out of 10 power 2 minus 1. So now after getting that, you will now say 0.181818 recurring times, here express it now into number form. Okay, whole number format, whole number form. So it will be now 100 Okay, minus 1 out of 100 minus 1. Now multiply this times this times this, then this times this. So now it will be 18.1818 recurring. Okay, it is this times this. Now it is now this times this, but the sign it is minus. Minus this, you are going to get 0.181818 recurring. Okay, recurring. So now in this it is 1. So subtract this minus this. After subtracting, how many are you getting? You are getting 99. Okay, so now after getting 99, you subtract the numerator with numerator, this numerator with this numerator. So after subtracting, you are going to get 18, because this minus this, you are getting 18 out of the denominator, which is 99. So you can even simplify this to the lowest fraction form. So by 9 we are getting 2, by 9 we are getting 11. So in this case 0.11818 recurring is equals to 2 out of 11 in fraction form. So the answer is 2 out of 11 in fraction form. That is the answer. So now let us see a part C. Part C. Again, solution. Okay. In part C, we are going to see, we are going to use it the same. Okay. We are going to use the same formula. Okay. The same formula. You just need to pay attention. Okay. You just need to pay attention. So it is this formula which we are going to use. Minus 10k out of 10k plus p minus 10k. Okay. So now this is the number 42 5 3 8 recurring. Okay, equals to 42.538 recurring times, here we are getting it is 10. So the value of k here will be 5. The value of k will be 5, because 5, it is a terminating decimal. It will not repeat itself. It is only 5. So 5 is 1. K is 1. So the non-terminating decimals, the non-terminating digits, it is 3 and 8. So two numbers are all repeated. So it will be plus 2. So now minus 10, then plus it is 1. Okay. Out of 10, 1 plus 2. Then 10 for 1. Okay. After getting this, now work it out. 42.538 recurring times, you add this, you are getting 10 power 3, 10 power 3 minus 10 power 1, it is still 1. So out of 10 power 3 minus 10 power 1. Okay. So now after getting this, you express this one, 42.538 recurring times, we are getting here 1000 minus 10. Okay, 1000 minus 10. Also 1000 minus 10. Now you multiply this with this, again this with this, then you subtract this one. So now it is, after When you apply this one, will give you 42,538.3838 recurrent. Okay, then minus, multiply this, we are getting 425.3838 recurrent. Okay, then subtract this. Are you getting? You are getting 990. Okay, now you can use your calculator. In this case, 1000 minus 10, you are getting 990. So now for you to get the fraction, subtract this with this. So now it is 4 2 42,000 538.3838 minus 425.3838. Are you getting? Here you are getting 42,113 out of 990. So this is the answer. So now this one 42 point 538. This is decimal point. But now for you to get this one in fraction form, this is the answer in fraction form. So student, if in case you do not understand any of this concept, you need to go back to this video so that you rewatch. Or if it is difficult for you, just simply contact me on my number that will be given to you on the Telegram and also WhatsApp. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channels.